And today, hospitalizations, Jared, are triple what they were November 1st.
That's right. We have 3,200 COVID patients currently in inpatient and ICU beds across the state of Arizona tonight. And Jason Berry spent the day talking to doctors and health experts and is live with where we stand right now, Jason.
Yeah, every doctor and health expert I spoke to today said the same thing, that Valley hospitals are being flooded with COVID patients. And if you think it's bad now, the impact from last weekend's family gatherings could take this crisis to a whole new level. Sound the alarm, wave the red flags. Arizona's COVID crisis is on the verge of another surge, which could push the state's healthcare system to the brink.
It's a real challenge.
Dr. Quinn Snyder is an emergency physician who says Valley hospitals are getting dangerously close to reaching capacity. And if that happens, they may be forced to implement their crisis standards of care, which means some patients may be turned away.
If in fact we have to get to the point where we enter triage protocols, we will literally have to decide who gets care and who does not, which is terribly frightening and something none of us who go into medicine would ever want to have to face.
On Tuesday, Arizona's Department of Health Services reported 10,322 new COVID cases, with thousands more expected by the end of the week, as medical experts predict a big spike following the long Thanksgiving weekend when many families gathered together.
People that show up at an emergency department.
Will Humble is executive director of the Arizona Public Health Association. He believes Arizona could have avoided this next wave COVID crisis if more people had been wearing masks, and state and local officials did a better job cracking down on the health safety measures now in place.
The mitigation measures that are required of the restaurants and bars are good. They're just not being enforced. And you can go around town and just look, and you'll see that some places are doing it right. They are. But other places are cheating. Their competitors are getting away with it, and it starts to spread the behavior.
I'm told even if the governor or cities across the valley implemented tighter health restrictions today, it would take at least a couple of weeks before that would have any kind of impact, which is why many believe steps should have been taken weeks ago when we started to see these COVID numbers rise. Reporting live in Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.